How to get soft and tender meat without using a pressure cooker. Most importantly, you need a heavy bottom pot, something that has got a thick base like this. Saute your meat with all your ingredients and put it into your heavy bottom pot. Tear 2 sheets of aluminium foil. Cover your pot with these 2 aluminium sheets. Wrap these sheets around your pot tightly. Place the pot's lid on and press it down. Scrunch up the remaining foil and seal the pot tightly. You will need this heat diffuser that you can easily get from online shopping platforms. Place the pot on the heat diffuser, turn on your fire and leave it on high for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, bring the fire down to low. Now starts the long cooking process. The rule is 1 hour per kg, then 20 minutes for every other kg added. Put your timer on and let the slow heat do its magic. Once your timer is up, turn off the heat, let it sit for 5 minutes untouched. Carefully lift the lid off. Using a fork, lift the foil away from you, moving yourself away from the steam. Now your meat is ready for serving. Add on your fresh herb garnishing and voila!